Welcome to the instructions video for the contact lens Vertex interactive calculator. This calculator helps you convert spectacle lens prescriptions to contact lens prescriptions by accounting for the vertex distance, which is the gap between your glasses and your eyes. This adjustment is essential for accurate vision correction, especially with stronger prescriptions. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter two values. First, input the spectacle lens power in diopters. This is the prescription power from the glasses. For our example, let's enter -6 diopters for a myopic prescription. Next, enter the vertex distance in millimeters. This is typically 12 to 14 millimeters for standard eyeglasses. We'll use 12 millimeters. The calculator then applies the vertex distance formula to determine the equivalent contact lens power needed. Since contacts sit directly on the eye with zero vertex distance, the power required differs from spectacles, and this difference becomes more significant with stronger prescriptions. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out for all your optical and engineering calculation needs.